Hello and welcome to Hardware Learning. Today we are working on the 2017 Volkswagen Golf Mk7 GTI. We're doing an H&R rear sway bar. So we're going to show you how to install it. And then I'm going to do another video showing you how many more G's you can pull around a cloverleaf. With that, let's get started. Looks like we got 13s here, triple square here, and that's and then we'll probably have to take the exhaust out, which means maybe just drop it a little bit, which means just take these 14s or 13s off, lower it down, snake the sway bar out, and we'll be good as go. XZN110S2. Well, I don't know what size it is, but you can get these triple squares on Amazon, link in description. A must needed tool for any VW Audi enthusiast. Yes. Speed tip. Dan, you want to do the honors of jacking up one of these wheels so I can get this bolt out? Oh, I suppose. Drop the old muffler.
I mean, that might even be enough. Here, try and let it out now.
The issue is the springs are kind of in the way. I broke my ride height gauge.
That's broken?
It's got a crack through it.
Oh. Well, see if you can order another one.
I can just glue it. Now we want to get these off.
There you go. Listen up. They're really on there.
Let's talk about size. We are going from a 20.3 millimeter to a 26.3 millimeter. So 20 to 26. Cool. Plus we're getting these stiffer end links versus these plastic ones. Super sway all day.
I should lift more, huh?
So before we tighten the end link to the control arm and before we tighten the sway bar bushing to the subframe, we want to load up the suspension. So what we're gonna do is put the car back on the ground. You could also just lower the rear end onto ramps, but I figure I'll just back up onto my ramps. Or you can load up the suspension with, why don't we just load it up with, we'll do that since it's literally,
it's already on.
it's already right there.
Yeah. I mean, it's loaded right now. I don't know how loaded it needs to be.
That's probably good, right? And then it's 20 newton meters, so for the sway bar bushing, so I'll convert that to freedom units.
How many Americas is it?
All right, and then these 13s are 25 foot-pounds or 35 newton meters.
Okay.
Okay, now we do the same thing on the other side.